In this next video, we're going to show you how to add content to the components that you've now placed on the page. You can see that Kelly has added a text box, a file component, and a links component. Let's start with the text box. To add text, multimedia, or embed content, simply click on where it tells you to do so, and it will open up the editing view of the actual component itself. And in this simple example, I'm going to, in the text box heading, write welcome to the 11A Learning Development class page. And down in the editor down here, I'm going to put on this page you will find many useful resources relating to this class. If you had editable rights to, say, a page for co-curricular or music or something like that, you obviously wouldn't put class, you'd put whatever it is. And just like many editors, you can change this content. You can make things bold if you want. You can change the colors. You can add emojis if you want to make it, feel really nice. And then to make that now live, you simply click Save Content, and it will update that content, and now that content is live. To add files, go to the File component on the page and select Upload a File. And now you can do one of two things. You can either drag the file into this area here. I'll show you how that works. I'm going to choose a document, and I'm just going to simply drag it into that space there, and it's going to upload it. Now I can give it a name. I might call it St. Margaret's test file. I can add more information to it in the description here, and also I can make it visible or invisible. If I wanted to add a number of files that were relevant to that page in one go, I could do that, and then over the time that I'm using that page and wanting to release that information, I could make them visible or invisible. Then I simply go Post File, and you can see now that that document is there. When I click on that document, it will open it, and there it is there. If I wanted to add a website link, I would simply go to the links component and say add a link. I would give it a name. I might say YouTube pod video. I might then go to YouTube and find the URL that I want, so I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to add the link in here and paste it. I can have this link open in the same window, which means it will open in the same tab that I've already got open, but in this example I want to open it in a new window, and I'm going to simply say add link. And you can see that the YouTube pod video is there. Now when I go to play it, you will see that it's opened a new tab, and it's going to begin playing it. That's how you can add content to the text box component, the files component, and the links component. In the next video, you will learn how to modify, edit, and even delete component information.